well, attendance. Oh, about your supposed to do. Months and take a look. And team for the Piano Stars. MTN Africa. Yes. MTN Africa Pima. That's also scoreboard on our next month we're going to have this. But now the team Masters and take a look. And the Piano Stars first half now baby. We are entering and shaping. But when you have penalty, there's a Samba Odell, a penalty, no, say no. Now, Piano Stars supporters, no, and now more about the Beno, on the scoreboard, no, as well. We are somehow empty. Maybe yellow stands for, or virtually empty. People are curving, and I was saying, green stand here, totally empty. The back map, yes. The only thing we can say is another scoreboard, no. Yeah, Piano Stars supporters, no, yes, more ever support. Ubumia, Abuaso, yes, Ubumia of Abuaso, and Mambao. You know, yes, attendance one or the other has also, yes, for the supporters, no, they should know, say, a young team, they have to be up and doing. Say, team no matter what team there, team the performance, you know, it's everybody. Anyone a management business staff, they are rating, you know, and say attendance, no, they don't attendance there. The idea of the supporters, no, more now, not the so no. 81st half na be we Kumasi Asante Kotoko 0. Tima the friend of Piano Stars 0. Na pihu Kotoko players ni be say omo warm up ball. Yes, player. Yes, the friend of Set Kojo on the to the south no. Set Kojo and I people so our of ball no. Our player they want Set Kojo. It was that angle ho na won so warm up kakra na shake up after the first half na the tell bench probably if you are ready we are game no for no wait an opportunity no after game na the tell first half na very one stars are 0 Piano Stars 0 today MTN Africa match can say a preparation match for on Sunday Erokoso and on that so we be asking Power Sport GH Power Sport GH so subscribe